So if you want to create a paid Telegram channel, this is how you do it. So firstly, open up Telegram. So open up your Telegram app, and then now click on this new message here. Click on it and then select new channel. So now click on create channel. So just give a name to your channel. I'm just going to do this, and then description, just whatever you're creating it for. So just give a title and a description. That's fine. Then hit on next. Okay, and now I've already created the channel. Now for the link, leave it as private. Select private, and that's the private invite link. That's fine. Everything okay. Just click on next. Okay, and then hit on next, and now that we have created the channel, so to make it a paid channel, what we're going to do is tap on the channel here, tap on the channel to open it up, and here you will see there's a channel settings option. Tap on the channel settings option, and now you have these invite link here. So tap on the invite link. Okay, and now this is the existing link. Leave it, just ignore that. And under additional links, there's an option called create new link. Click on the create new link, and now you can give a name for it. It's optional, but to make this a paid channel, all you have to do is tap on this button which says require monthly fee. Tap on it and then plug in the amount. Okay, just plug in the amount, how much you want to charge for it, and make sure that button is turned on. Okay, and then you can set the period for how long this is valid. You can just set that up, everything. Once that's done, click on create, and that's it. There you go. So now you have created this paid Telegram channel. You can share this link and people can join. They can pay and join your channel, and that's basically pretty much it is.